to the dawn of a new era where advanced technology meets nature in perfect harmony within our carbon-neutral century of extreme precision and sustainable luxury. Energy systems are fully operational, and the clean room air purity has reached the stringent ISO standard, ensuring a perfect environment for high-end mechanical assembly today. Every component of this facility is powered by renewable sources, marking our commitment to a future where high performance no longer demands a toll on our planet. Sophisticated sensor arrays monitor the atmosphere constantly, creating a state of vacuum purity that is essential for handling the world's most delicate and advanced composite materials. Observe the raw beauty of recycled carbon fiber, a material reclaimed from the aerospace industry and reborn as the foundation of a new horological masterpiece. This ultra-lightweight substance offers unparalleled strength and a unique aesthetic, proving that sustainability can be the ultimate expression of luxury and modern engineering excellence. Transformation begins as high-pressure water jets go through the recycled carbon, initiating a complex process of refinement that breathes new life into industrial waste materials. Each strand is meticulously isolated and inspected, ensuring only the highest quality fibers are selected to participate in the sophisticated three-dimensional weaving process that follows next. Our proprietary nano-weaving technology arranges these fibers into a multi-layered structure, achieving a structural density of 1200 megapascals for maximum durability and shock resistance. The weaving progress has reached 85% completion, with every layer perfectly aligned to produce materials that are incredibly light and virtually indestructible for use. The carbon is then placed into a specialized vacuum mold, where it undergoes intense thermal processing to fuse the layers into a single, cohesive structural unit. Temperature rises steadily from ambient levels to 1500 degrees Celsius, a critical threshold where the carbon bonds are forged into their final and most resilient state. Under these extreme conditions, the material achieves its signature strength-to-weight ratio, surpassing traditional metals and setting a new standard for high-performance watchmaking components in the industry. The reincarnation of carbon is complete, resulting in a solid block of pure potential, ready to be sculpted into the heart of our sustainable mechanical timekeeping instrument. We now enter the realm of extreme pressure where light is born from stone, utilizing advanced high-pressure, high-temperature chambers to create diamonds in a controlled environment. A singular diamond seed is positioned at the epicenter of the reaction, serving as the biological blueprint for a crystal that will rival any found in nature. By simulating the crushing weight of the Earth's mantle, we accelerate geological time, growing a perfect diamond crystal over the course of several days in total silence. Pressure stabilizes at 60,000 atmospheres. The force so immense it rearranges carbon atoms into a cubic lattice, achieving a hardness of 10 on the Mohs scale. The result is a stone of absolute purity, free from the ethical and environmental concerns of traditional mining, yet possessing the same physical and chemical properties. Precision laser cutting begins the shaping process, where high-energy beams sculpt the raw crystal into an elegant emerald cut, maximizing its brilliance and internal fire for the bezel. Every angle is calculated by our artificial intelligence to ensure perfect light refraction, creating a dazzling display of brilliance that will eventually crown the finished timepiece. These lab-grown gems represent the pinnacle of sustainable luxury, offering a brilliant contrast to the dark, matte finish of the recycled carbon fiber case we prepare. Now the sculpture begins as our 5-axis precision milling machine engages the carbon block, spinning at 60,000 revolutions per minute to define the watch's silhouette. The complex tonneau shape emerges from the dark material, featuring ergonomic curves and sharp architectural lines that define the modern aesthetic of our green mechanical culture. A constant flow of specialized coolant protects the structural integrity of the carbon, preventing heat buildup and ensuring the cleanest possible cut for these delicate components. Machining tolerances are held to a staggering 0.001 micrometers, a level of precision that allows for a perfect fit of all internal movement components. After milling, the case undergoes ultrasonic cleaning to remove every microscopic residue, revealing the unique and unrepeatable grain of the recycled carbon fibers underneath the surface. The finishing phase transitions to a delicate robotic polish, where fine bristled tools enhance the texture of the material without compromising the sharp masculine edges of the design. Observe the organic flow of the carbon grain, a visual signature that makes every single watch case entirely unique, much like a fingerprint of sustainable engineering. Final identification is etched into the frame, marking this piece as a certified product of our green revolution, and ready to house the complex mechanical heart within. With the exterior complete, we move to the assembly of the movement, where traditional horology meets the future of automated micro-robotics and advanced mechanical precision. The dance of the gears begins as our microbots assemble the movement, starting with the installation of the titanium balance wheel into its high-tech sapphire housing. The hairspring pulses with light, regulated to maintain a steady frequency of 28,800 vibrations per hour, ensuring perfect timekeeping accuracy for the wearer. Automated lubrication systems apply exact amounts of synthetic oil to the ruby bearings, minimizing friction and extending the life of the movement for many decades to come. Energy flows from the mainspring through the gear train, A sequence of mechanical perfection, where torque is optimized by our sophisticated auto-calibration software for maximum efficiency. Listen to the heartbeat of the machine, a rhythmic symphony of precision engineering, where every ticking clock signifies our triumph over the limitations of traditional manufacture. The skeletonized style is now fitted, providing the eye to explore the depth of the movement and admire the intricate craftsmanship that powers this sustainable timekeeping masterpiece. Luminescent hands are added with perfect alignment, ensuring that the passage of time remains visible even in the darkest environments, reflecting the brilliance of our green vision. The diamond-set bezel is secured, uniting the extreme hardness of lab-grown gems with the lightweight strength of recycled carbon, in a bold statement of modern luxury. With a final turn of the crown, the movement is awakened, breathing life into the assembly and marking the successful birth of a new mechanical entity. Sealed for eternity under sapphire glass, the movement is protected from the elements while remaining fully visible for those who appreciate the art of mechanical complexity. Behold the green mechanical masterpiece, a fusion of aerospace innovation and ethical luxury, standing as a testament to what is possible when we innovate with purpose. Every detail has been crafted from the past to serve the future, combining the soul of traditional watchmaking with the conscience of a sustainable modern world. This is more than just a timepiece, it is a symbol of precision beyond boundaries and a commitment to a cleaner, more beautiful world for everyone. The green mechanical masterpiece is now complete, a triumph of engineering that proves luxury can be sustainable, ethical, and infinitely more precise than ever before.